Hey! Hey, where are you going? Christian. Can you say daddy? Can you say daddy? Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Very good. Say it again. Daddy. Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Say mommy. Christian, come over here. Come here. Can you say mommy? Christian, can you say mommy? Can you say mommy? Mommy? What about, can you say bado? Bado. Bado? Can you say bado? How about cracker?
Daddy.
Cracker. Say cracker?
Daddy.
Very good. How about bottle again? Can you say bottle? Let me out. Let me see you. Where are you? Look at Mama's. Come here. Come here. Come see your fire truck. You want to get in your fire truck? Huh? Let's put you in. Hold on. Okay. Hi, big guy. Are you driving? Are you driving your truck? Hi, Munchkin. You driving in your truck. Driving in your truck. Come on. Look at the mommies. Can you say mommy? Where are you going? Did you make it move? Can you say mommy? Mommy. Hi, buddy. There you go. See ya. Is that the cutest fire truck or what? Huh? Okay, you ready to get out? Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Good job, buddy. Good job. Can you clap? Can you clap? Can you clap for mommy? Okay, one more wave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You are too cute.